learn how to transfer Solana from Trustwallet to your Sollet.io wallet, or from Binance to your Sollet.io wallet, or from Safepal to your Sollet.io wallet. Watch this video to the end as we'll be showing us exactly how to transfer our Solana to Sollet.io wallets. Hello crypto smart investors. So from our screen here, you notice that I have my Safepal wallet, and in my Safepal wallet I have some Solana there. So I actually want to mint some tokens, so I'm going to transfer some Solana to my Sollet.io wallet. So what I need to do first is to click on send. So for anytime you want to send out tokens, just click on send. Once you click on send, you'll be given the address as well as the other details that you need to provide to send to. So from my screen here, what I'm sending out is actually what Solana, and the address I'm going to send it out to is as indicated, as well as the amount and all. So we're going to quickly head over to our Sollet.io wallet, and here is the interface. So from what you can see here, notice that the website is what Sollet.io. Make sure that it is what Sollet.io. Then you have other details there, such as the Solana that I have there at the moment. Once you click on that, it should show you what these two boxes. So click on what receive. So you are receiving your crypto assets, and the details of your crypto wallet address should be shown. That is your Solana address. So you click on copy, and the address will be copied to your clipboard. So go back to your Safepal or wherever you are sending from, and you paste that address there. If it's Trust Wallet, paste it there. Then specify the amount of Solana you are sending. So in this case, I'm sending 0.002. But one other beautiful thing about Solana network is that the network fee is extremely very cheap. Okay, it's not as high as Ethereum. That's why many people use it. So I go ahead to do what? Send my asset immediately. And before you say jack, it has gone through. Just notice I just refresh my screen. I just go through. Just within 1 minute or so, your transaction should go through. It should be deducted from your main account, and it should reflect in your sending account. So it's just very easy step to follow if you are sending Solana from one wallet to another, in this case from Safepal to your Sollet wallet. And I need this Solana to mint some tokens on the Solana network. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, go ahead to comment in this comment section below. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away. We hope to hit our first 1,000 subscribers at the end of this month. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.